Can you see recently watched reels on Instagram? In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you guys if you are able to see your recently watched reels on Instagram. So let's just jump right in. The very first thing you have to do is open up Instagram, and from here you can just tap on any reel that you want to watch. So I'm just going to tap on the first one right here. Once you've watched this, if you like it, you can tap on the like button to give it a like. Now just keep scrolling down and then tap on the ones that you like. So let me just go ahead and like this one as well. But if I don't like this one, so just remember this, I'm not gonna like this one or this one, but I'm gonna like the one with this. So alright, so we've watched a few reels now. I'm gonna go ahead and tap on my profile at the bottom right. And if you tap on the top right corner, you'll find something called how you use Instagram, and right below here you have your activity. So under your activity, Instagram does not give you a direct option to watch your reel history or the videos that you have watched, but what they give you is the option to see your interactions, like your likes, comments, notes, tags, and sticker responses. So if you tap on the likes option, it will show you all of your liked reels and posts all in one place. You can even filter it out by tapping on the content type and then go ahead and select reels and uncheck anything else. Now tap on apply. Now you can see all of the reels that you've liked till date. You can also sort it from oldest to newest or newest to oldest. So this was the reel that I liked recently. And if I scroll down, this was the other one. So if I just tap on this was the other reel that I liked. But there is no option to see the reels that you have not liked but watched. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.